So, we're officially out. The swing trade I showed you the last video hit my target. And for this reason, today I chose to not trade, and it was a good option because as you can see, the markets were pretty choppy. So let's start by breaking down once again the trade of yesterday and why I didn't trade today. Let's start. We moving on to the 4 hourly time frame. We can see that this candle closed below this low and broken this psychological level and support and resistance one. So I scaled down to the 1 hourly to then see that during London session and pre-New York session, price chopped a lot and retested this zone a lot. So therefore, on the 15-minute around here, I saw the price was still rejecting this zone in a very good way. So then I scaled down to the 5-minute to wait for my change of character on the 5-minute, which happened right here. And then I waited for my 5-minute break of structure, which also happened here. And therefore I entered my trade after all the confluences hit. Also, as you can see, guys, on the side, price always rejects this price either to the upside or the downside a lot of times. So it was a pretty good level. Then my final take profit should have been all the way down here to the next psychological level. I should have closed 50% of my trade around this area. But since I have school, and at that time I was at school, around here had my alarm set it. And in fact, I got the notification on my phone. So then I try to close the position as quickly as possible, the 50%. In the end, I closed it around this price. And then I've decided, since the requirement for this account payout is just a 1% growth, and that was what I was floating around 1.5. Therefore, I decided to close early just to secure my payout, because the level from here to here was about only $5, and I was already floating around $30. So since I've been going on this thing for more than 3 years without any results, I decided to close the trade so that I can secure my first payout ever, my first dollar that I'm hopefully able to withdraw from the markets. So now all we have to do is to wait 14 days for the trading cycle to close, and then I will be able to request my payout. Yes, so from tomorrow and forward, I will still look at the charts and analyze them, but will probably not take any trades with my actual funded account. I will either just forward testing it, or I will open a demo account to trade on that, and I will still look at the charts, analyze it, and trying to journal and refine my strategy, especially now that I just switched to a more higher time frame swing trader approach, rather than being almost a scalper or with a stop loss of 10 pips or less. Yeah, so that's pretty much all for today. This is my first trade on the account. It was a W, my first trade in almost a month. Yeah, hopefully from now on we will only go up.